A similar message is repeated in Al-Darimi, hadith number 1925. It's narrated by Ibn Abbas that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the deeds done in the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the best deeds. There is no other deeds done on any other day which is better than the deeds done in the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And when someone asked the Prophet, what about jihad? The Prophet said, even jihad, unless the person goes for jihad with his wealth and life and comes back without both of them. That means unless a person is martyred in the battlefield while doing jihad, that is the only deed which is better than the good deeds done in the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. That means the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the most important 10 days in the full year. There is no doubt about it. And unfortunately, most of us Muslims are unaware of this fact.